How to use Poshmark. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can begin using Poshmark, which is an online shopping application. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, Poshmark is also just one of another many popular platforms that are out there, like an e-commerce store that you can use to buy and sell products. And if you're figuring out, or if you're basically new to Poshmark and then you want to begin selling it, it's very simple. I'm assuming that you've either downloaded the app and already created an account. So in my case, I've already created an account, and you have to go to poshmark.com, or you can log in from your app, as I said earlier. Now, once you're here, there are a couple of things you need to understand. The very first thing is that, of course, if you want to order something, you just select a specific product based on the categories that you'd like over here. Once you select the product, you're going to be taken to the product page here. Tap the option called buy now, and you'll be able to successfully buy them after selecting the size or whatever else you prefer. You can select the checkout button. You can use Google Pay or PayPal, whatever else you prefer. If you just come back to the home page again, there are also a couple of other things that you can do. If you tap the three lines icon here, you should be able to browse them through categories. If you tap your profile icon from the top right, you'll be able to see all of your drafts, your likes, your offers, your campaigns, your recently viewed status, your size, your bundles, your shoppers, your saved shows, as well as your purchases, your sales order activity, and so on. If you go to account settings, there are a couple of your personal details, such as your username, your profile, your account information, or whatever else there actually basically is. Now, if you are a seller and you want to begin selling on Poshmark, you can just go to shop, or you can tap the sell icon over here to start creating your own shop in this case, and then you can even sell your own products. This way you can go ahead and basically use Poshmark. I hope I covered as many basics as possible. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.